Hi! Alam niyo ba kung nasaan tayo? Tama! Nandito tayo ngayon sa pinakasikat na university sa buong Bicol, which is ang Bicol University. And I'm so lucky that I'm one of their student from BUCSSP, or Bicol University College of Social Sciences and Philosophy. Do you guys want to know more about the university? If that's the case, come with me and let's explore the Bicol University. Do you know that Bicol University, with 7 campuses scattered across the region, BU is the home of the top-notchers in the fields of accountancy, engineering, midwifery, nursing, social work, and education. As comprehensive university, it caters to the needs of the society in the following fields: technology, engineering, architecture, and sciences. As you see, we are here in the 4 pillars of Bicol University, promoting scholarship, leadership, character, and service as its core values.
It all started when Bicol University was established on June 21, 1969 under Republic Act 5521 and formalized on September 21, 1970 and has its roots in several predecessor institutions. These include the Bicol Teachers College, the Ragais Central School, Albay High School, Bicol Regional School of Arts and Trades, Rojas Memorial Agricultural School, and the School of Fisheries. These institutions, with history spanning over half a century, collectively laid the foundation for the diverse academic offerings of Bicol University, making it a prominent state university in Region 5. Under Dr. Ricardo A. Arcelia's leadership as Bicol University's first president, he thrived for a decade, fostering unity, systematizing policymaking, and achieving significant advancements. In 1972, graduate education began with the Master of Arts and Education program, and a College of Arts and Sciences was established. The subsequent year, 1973, witnessed the creation of the College of Nursing, marking pivotal milestones in BU's educational and research evolution. Throughout the year, Bicol University was marked by a period of linkage with several organizations and agencies, rapid growth, and new spectra of activities such as the Center of Cultural Studies, Computer Center, Audiovisual Production Center, including some community and extension projects. Bicol University underwent changes in 2003, implementing the Comprehensive Development Plan, leading to the creation of College of Social Sciences and Philosophy. It officially separated from the College of Arts and Sciences in 2004, with operations commencing on January 1, 2005 after administrative approval. BUCSSP have 6 departments, including Psychology, Philosophy, Social Work, Political Science, and Sociology. The university provides students with vital social science courses such as History, Rizal, and Psychology required by their curriculum. These subjects aim to cultivate positive social values, shaping students into valuable contributors to a harmonious and progressive community. By delving into these social sciences, students gain insights into themselves. The institutions aim for excellence and transcendence in its pursuit of academic growth.
So now, all of you already have a background about the Bicol University, specifically the BUCSSP. So, now,
Pwede po ba namin mahiram ang oras mo?
para saan ba?
Kasi sakto po, psychology, may project po kasi kami na kailangan mag-interview. Then nakita kita. Pwede po ba ma-interview?
Okay, that's a good idea. Magkakaroon ng exposure ang course ko at magkakaroon ng kalaman mga tao about dito.
Tara po!
Tara na!
Good afternoon, everyone. I am LMAS Mayor, a 4th-year psychology student, and now I am here with... I am Francine, and a 1st-year psych student. So, okay, Miss Francine, thank you po dahil pinaunlakan mo kami para ma-interview ka. So, for you po, why is psychology important?
Psychology is important because as a psych student, it helps us to understand why people behave in a certain way.
Okay, so, thank you po. Now, guys, we will move on to the next interviewee. So now I am with
Trisha May Magalona, a junior psych student.
thank you po for allowing us to interview you. So, Miss Magalona po, why do you choose psychology?
I choose psychology because of personal things. I choose it because ever since then, I really want to be an advocate for mental health. And as I enter college, I use it as a motivation. That's why I'm here, your junior psych student. And that's all.
So, thank you, Miss Magalona. And now, guys, that's it for our interview segment. Thank you for watching and participating.
So that's it. We're now done exploring the whole university. But, did you guys know na isang buwan na lang pagtatapos ng 2023? Sana nagkaroon kayong lahat ng magandang 2023 at magandang 2024. But, before ending my vlog, let me show you clips of how my life is as a psych student.
As a student in the Bicol University, it is our goal to implement the 4 pillars of Bicol University, promoting scholarship, character, leadership, and services as its core values.
It is our duty to acquire knowledge and skills in a chosen field of study, fostering personal and intellectual growth. Moreover, it is also our responsibility to represent the Bicol University, showing kindness, respect, dignity, and pride as one of their scholars and future leaders in the country.
Beyond academics, students often strive for personal growth, building a strong network, and participating in extracurricular activities for a well-rounded skill set.
Ultimately, the overreaching goal is to emerge from their educational journey with a foundation for success in both their professional and personal lives.